Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best SSD for the Steam Deck that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Corsair MP600 Mini 1TB. Corsair's original MP600 Mini was one of the best all-around drives for the Steam Deck and other M2 2230 devices, even if it had some limitations. It was only available at 1 TB and it did not stand out from other excellent TLC-based drives, like Sabrent's Rocket 2230 and Inland's TN446. Corsair has remedied that with newer, faster hardware, and eventually a 2 TB model to finally supplant the WD Black SN770M, or OEM WD SN740, as the fastest 2 TB 2230 drive around. Previously, it was only possible to get 2 TB with QLC flash, which has drawbacks such as weaker performance, or with WD's less power-efficient and hotter drives. Moving on at number 4, we have the Inland TN446. The Inland TN446 is Inland's follow-up to the original TN436, which we previously reviewed. The TN436 had its issues but was an affordable option that was available relatively early in the Steam Deck's lifecycle. The TN446 seeks to keep the affordability and great warranty while ironing out the kinks. This includes an additional 512GB capacity SKU and better all-around hardware. However, Inland as Micro Center's house brand has limited availability and support for those without a micro center, and especially those outside of the US. Current pricing does not favor the TN446 at 1 TB, particularly as QLC options like the MP44S are now available. At number 3, we have the Sabrent Rocket 2230. The Sabrent Rocket 2230 remains a popular choice for a Steam Deck SSD upgrade. It uses TLC on an efficient platform and, unlike the MP600 Mini, has a range of capacity options. If you happen to have the 64GB Steam Deck, the 256GB and 512GB options can be a way to save a little coin, though we'd still recommend saving up for a 1 TB or 2 TB drive. Since the Rocket 2230 launched in early 2023, a number of competing products have come to market that make it less compelling at the current price. Still, it's a known solid performer, and was our best reviewed M2 2230 SSD for quite some time. It has the same Phison E21T controller and Micron 176-layer TLC NAND as many other 1 TB drives. At number 2, we have the Teamgroup MP44S 2230. The Teamgroup MP44S arrived after the Rocket Q4 2230 but has essentially the same makeup. Team's drives tend to be hit or miss, but this drive is a winner if it's priced right, and right now it's by far the least expensive 2 TB 2230 drive on Amazon. It does use QLC flash, which has lower endurance and performance than TLC, but you can get 2 TB of space in a tiny drive as a result. The MP44S has the advantage of having a 1 TB option out of the gate, even if it is late to the party, for added flexibility. We tested the 1 TB model, but the 2 TB drive should perform similarly. In our testing, the fewer dies present at 1 TB did not negatively impact performance. The drive is also quite efficient, which is perfect for the Steam Deck. And finally at number 1, we have the Sabrent Rocket Q4 2230. Sabrent's Rocket 2230 made waves at the beginning of 2023 as a mass-produced, retail storage solution for the Steam Deck. It provided an easy update to 1 TB from the stock Steam Deck SSDs. However, users were clamoring for more storage, and that led to the release of the Rocket Q4 2230. Now it's possible to toss in up to 2 TB of internal storage for the Steam Deck without having to go to eBay or AliExpress. Still missing is the 1 TB SKU, but this can be filled by the Team MP44S or AdLink S91. The Rocket Q4 2230 is not perfect, however, as it does have plenty of competition and it only reaches 2 TB through the use of QLC rather than TLC. It's also one of the more expensive 2 TB M2 2230 drives now available. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.